we're headed to one of the best pizza places in New York. Is that the bus? A bus? Okay. Secured the pizza. Looks so big.
Oh, be careful like that.
I know. It like slided. I heard it sliding. We just headed to some place to eat. Like some playground, a park.
Yeah. I actually have to check on my phone.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Yes. It's so huge.
It smells really good too.
Yeah.
The
So
crust is
scary.
really, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I like how thin it is.
What do you think?
Okay. Let's go.
What do you think of it?
It's so good.
It's good?
Well, this is way bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
This is like 2 people size, I feel like.
Yeah. I know. Should we just split that and then we split the price?
Do you want to do that?
How much was it?
$8.50.
Total? We can just split it.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that.
I'm what? You're not as what? I'm more what?
No, actually though, I kind of am. You can't tell, but when I can, I would completely solid like
My shoes are like really soft.
You shouldn't have gone to the park. I was hoping you'd turn back, but you went for it. Super good.
The food looks good, both of them.
Is it rain?
I like the fake meat stuff.
This is a good day to come to a place like this too, because it's like chill. No one's going to restaurants.
This tiny spot has been his favorite spot for the past couple of days for some reason. I don't know why he likes it, but is that fucked up? think it's going to be a pretty boring day today because we need to do some paperwork. So we need to go to the library after work and do some like printing and mailing and all that stuff. Paperwork kind of pisses me off. Like I feel like I've been upset all day just because I have to do this. Just makes me feel really anxious, and I know it's part of being an adult, but I feel like I will never get used to it. So yeah, I don't know if we're really gonna vlog, but we'll see. If we end up doing something interesting, I might film. I've been liking wearing this onesie from Set Active. I've been just kind of wearing it as a room wear, and it feels like a part of my body and feels so comfortable, and it's nice because it's been so hot here, and even though we have an AC in the living room, I don't have one in the office, so it's nice. It's lunchtime now, so I decided to make some Trader Joe's frozen dumplings for lunch. I actually had a burrito left over for breakfast today. I usually don't do that kind of stuff, but because of the stress, I was like, I'm just gonna eat whatever I have in the fridge for morning, and just ate a burrito left over for breakfast. It's probably not the healthiest breakfast, but I recently deleted some of my social media apps, and I feel like I'm feeling a little bit better mentally. I don't really go to some of the social media platforms, but I deleted Thread app. I don't even know why I had that app, and I also deleted X. As I kept getting notifications that I didn't really have to see, and also whenever I get a notification and I just like go to those platforms and like read stuff, like I sometimes find myself wasting my time. I just didn't notice how much better I could feel about just things in general if I delete some of the social media apps and just don't have access to some of them. Like it just makes me feel better. I still have Instagram and some other stuff, but anyways, I'm gonna eat, enjoy my lunch break. I'll see you guys later. I've been really into eating scallops and especially in pasta, so I'm gonna eat this really quickly and get ready to go out and do some errands. The scallops are from Trader Joe's and I think they're pretty good. I just took a shower. It's almost 11 p.m. now. I didn't really film today because we were just so busy, and also it was rainy outside, so it just wasn't a really great day to film. Today was a productive day. We got our paperwork done, which is great. We did it in one day and we just mailed everything out, and so I'm really glad that I don't need to think about any of that stuff for now. And I also got to do some other errands. I went to USPS again because I had to ship some stuff out, and we also got to go to like a couple of grocery stores. Today has also been kind of a bad day. Well, so I was expecting a package today, but I guess it was not delivered or it got stolen by somebody. I'm really not sure what happened, but it's just not here. So I don't know what happened. I'm hoping that it just somehow shows up magically in front of my apartment door tomorrow morning or something like that. I'm a little bummed because I was really excited for it to arrive here, and I waited like a year to purchase this, so I'm just really sad that it's not here. And then my Trader Joe's Chipotle, like almond Chipotle dip, just exploded as I opened it, and it just was everywhere, like on my white shirt and my please pants. So that also made me kind of sad, but I don't think it's gonna stain my clothing, so It's a good news, but it just added some extra, I don't know, like chaos to my day. Other than that, it's an okay day. It's just one of those days that's just not really fun. Yeah, we all have those days sometimes, and kind of sucks. But anyways, I'm just really glad that we were very productive and we were able to get everything done after work. I'm really grateful that the mail services here, I mean, it depends on the location, but there are locations that we can go to kind of later in the evening. Like they're open until like 8 p.m. or I think some locations are open until even later. I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. The past 1 week has been pretty like fun. Like going to the pizza place was really great. We wanted to go there for a very long time, so I'm glad that we were able to make it there. I hope you like the video. There are probably some boring segments in this video, but I'm really thankful that you are watching this if you're still here, and I will talk to you again soon, probably next week. Bye. Quick update. So the missing package showed up at my door and I got this Le Labo shampoo perfume. I'm really excited to try this on. So they're doing city exclusive campaign right now, so I got some of those to try out. Last year I got some of them for Magnus and I really liked the smell, so this time I'm getting some samples for myself. I got the Vanille 44. I think this one's from Paris. And I have Gaiac 10 from, I think this one's from Sapporo if I'm correct. And then I have Citron 28 from Seoul. So I'm really excited for this, and I'm really glad that my package didn't end up missing. I thought that it was really like gone.